Trying to connect your Samsung printer to Wi-Fi? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect your Samsung wireless printer to your Wi-Fi network in just a few simple steps. If you need additional help during the setup, simply call the support number shown on your screen. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Print Smart Help for more easy-to-follow printer setup and troubleshooting videos. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi. First, turn on your Samsung printer and make sure your Wi-Fi router is working. Keep your Wi-Fi network name and password ready. Your computer or phone should also be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open wireless settings. On your Samsung printer, press the menu button. Go to Network, Wireless, WLAN Settings. Then select Wizard or Wireless Setup Wizard. The exact menu names may vary depending on your Samsung printer model. Step 3. Select your network. The printer will scan for nearby wireless networks. Find your Wi-Fi network name and select it. Now enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Remember, the password is case sensitive. Press OK, connect or apply. Give the printer a few seconds to connect. When you see connected or the Wi-Fi indicator appears, your Samsung printer is successfully connected to your wireless network. WPS method. If your printer and router support WPS, you can also use that option. Select WPS on the printer, then press the WPS button on your router when prompted. The printer should connect automatically without entering the Wi-Fi password. Step 4. Add printer to Windows. Now go to your Windows computer. Open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners. Click Add Device. Select your Samsung printer when it appears and follow the on-screen instructions. Finally, print a test page to make sure everything is working. If the printer won't connect, restart both the printer and router. Check your Wi-Fi password again and make sure the printer is close enough to the router. If your Samsung model has different menu options, check the instructions for your exact model. And that's how you connect a Samsung printer to Wi-Fi. If this guide helped you, like this video and subscribe to Print Smart Help for more easy printer setup and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.